Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Biotechnological World, your own YouTube tech channel. How are you doing? Well, if you're new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the first foldable phone beats Samsung to the punch. Let's have a look. Well, Samsung, LG and Huawei all are predicted to launch foldable phones very soon. But you can pre-order the Royole FlexPai right now. Cloaked in dark shadows, Samsung demoed its foldable phone prototype during its developer conference on Wednesday. But a small startup headquartered in Fremont, California has already beat Samsung to the punch. The Royole FlexPai, which debuted in Beijing in October, is a phone-tablet hybrid that features a flexible screen already available for developers in China. The FlexPai will be consumer-ready by December through the Chinese carrier China Mobile. In the US and UK, you can pre-order developers model which ships out in December as well. The FlexPai costs $1,318 US and 1,209 pounds for the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB variant, and $1,469 and 1,349 pounds for the 8 GB of RAM and 250 GB versions. Australian pricing wasn't released, but that converts to about Australian dollars 2,180 and Australian dollars 2,440 respectively. The phone features bendable 7.8-inch AMOLED screen that's made out of flexible plastic and has a 1440 pixel resolution. Running along the back of the FlexPai is a hinge where you can bend the device in half as if you are closing a book. You can leave it bent and propped up, or close it all together, wherein it will snap together with embedded magnets. When it's closed, it functions as any standard phone would, and depending on what side of the screen you hold it by, you can navigate on a screen with either a 16.8 or 16.9 aspect ratio. The FlexPai runs on OS called Water, and it's layered on top of Google Android 9.0 Pie as well, and whichever way you choose to hold or bend the device, the screen adjusts to the many different orientations and viewing options. The FlexPai screen appeared vibrant and colorful, and the hinge and enclosing mechanism felt sturdy. But the device still needs work. Aesthetically, it still looks like a prototype rather than a refined and polished product. As a double-sided phone, the FlexPai is quite squarish and thick, making it hard to hold, although it's slim when flattened out as a tablet. The reviewer said that the screen was also buggy while switching orientations, and it was hard swiping and tapping through different home screens without the FlexPai registering all my unintentional touches from all the different sides of the screen as I was holding it. Other specs include a 2.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon chipset, expandable memory, and a 3800 mAh battery that can charge rapidly using Royole's proprietary charging technology called RoCharge. Below the display are the phone's two cameras, a 16 megapixel wide-angle camera and a 20 megapixel telephoto lens. In a similar design to the flippable ZTE Exxon M, the camera acts as both the rear and front-facing shooter when you fold the screen together. The FlexPai has also a fingerprint scanner and a dual SIM capabilities. It charges via a USB Type-C port and does not have a headphone jack. Before the FlexPai's debut, companies that demoed their foldable phones or tablets usually presented them as a concept or prototype devices. Products brand from their R&D departments that may come in the far-off future. Royole's background in flexible displays, however, uniquely position it to create a viable flexible device, and the company has been working on the FlexPai for 6 years. It's also pouring $30 million into developer support. But Royole FlexPai won't be the only flexible phone you will see in the months to come. In addition to Samsung, LG is rumored to be working on its own phones, and it could debut as soon as the beginning of next year. Huawei reported that it's developing a foldable phone too, and it will be equipped with high-speed 5G connectivity. Now the tech giants like Samsung, LG, Huawei all are running into the foldable phones, but we can say that Royole FlexPai won the race. Until these phones eventually launch, however, it looks like these tech giants were outrun by this small Royole company and its FlexPai phones. And while the devices itself is still rough around the edges, at least it can say it was first in the market. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we know till now regarding the foldable phones, and surely Royole FlexPai won the race already. So tell us in the comments below, how do you like this video? If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World, and peace out. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.